Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm gonna try to help you to fix one common problem when you buy the Shure MV7. We know that the windscreen form is not fantastic. Uh, Personally, I think it's okay, but for some people, it's not very good. I know the quality is not fantastic, but hey, I mean, it's fine for me. But as you can hear, when I speak closely to the microphone, there's a lot of plosives. So please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Popeye pop pop. Please bring pizza pronto. So it's not a very bad, but there's a easy way to fix that. The common way that most people will do is gonna buy the RK345. This is a windscreen. This is the same windscreen that when you buy the SM7B is quite long, and the windscreen is pretty good. It costs 20 British pounds in UK, so about $20. But personally, I think if I want the look of the SM7B, I'm gonna buy SM7B. Personally, this is my opinion. So I do like the look of the MV7. So the only way to fix that, if you like the look, is pretty simple, which I think this is gonna be interesting. So as you can see, but I don't know if you can see because my t-shirt is black. So the windscreen foam is quite wobbly, and the reason for that is basically, so as you can see, I have two windscreen. This is the stock one that comes, and this is cheap one. So you can buy a cheap one windscreen from Amazon or from eBay. You can buy 5 6 uh and so to fix this problem, it's very simple. If you like the look of the MV7, which I do by the way, but this is your personal preference. If you don't like the look, just buy the RK345, stick it in, and you're ready to go. So let's try with the pop filter again. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So now let me show you now when I stick this inside. So basically this needs to go. I'm going to mute the sound now because, apologize about that, I don't want to cause any bad noise if you listen this with the headphones. Okay, so let's try now with the second pop filter. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So as you can hear, there's a lot of difference because you have two pop filters, not just one. So if you like this way, it's super cheap. Like I mentioned, you can buy a bunch of these cheap windscreen foams for a couple of dollars, and you can fix this common problem with the plosives. So yeah, let me know what do you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful video. I really appreciate if you like and subscribe. This is the only way to support this channel. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about this cool way to fix this common problem with the MV7, or basically with most of the microphones that comes with the cheap windscreen forms. All right, see ya.